We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year.
What's up, Glam fam? Your girl is getting ready to go to work here in a second. But before I leave, I have a few things to get done around the house. It is 12:45 right now. Baby girl fell back asleep immediately after she woke up, so I decided to come in here and film, get some videos done. So that's what I did. Okay. But I'm going to leave the house a little bit earlier today because I have to get gas. So I'm going to do that. Now today I'm working overtime, so my shift does not start until 3 p.m. So I'm doing that today. I don't have to work tomorrow, so I'll be heading to view the apartment that I really want in a different city. I'm pretty sure I told y'all that already, so I'm gonna get up bright and early and do that in the morning, and then Saturday I have to be back here because I had to go to work. Told y'all your girl been working 6 days a week. But anyways, I have to wash clothes. Baby girl is still asleep, but I think I'm gonna wake her up and get her dressed because I want to get her together. And yeah, y'all, but today has so far been a productive, beautiful day. I need to figure out what I want to wear to work today, so that's what I'm going to be doing. And I also need to stop by Lowe's and get some moving boxes. I'm pretty sure you guys can tell that I did not go to Walmart today. I just didn't feel like it. I really don't feel like going to Lowe's today, so maybe that'll be a different task for a different day. But nonetheless, y'all, I'm gonna be doing that. I need to get my check stubs and things like that together, so I'll be doing that. And yeah, so your girl is home from the job. I decided that I am going to wash because I need to severely. Okay, so we're gonna get that done and try to get up bright and early tomorrow so that I can hit the road. Okay, but y'all may be seeing that in a separate vlog. I'm sure it won't be in this vlog, okay, because that's a whole day of festivities. So I told y'all, bright and early, your girl's gonna be up and ready to hit the road. It's 9:06 right now. So I'm about to hit the road. I just filled up my tank, and it's about that time, y'all. Now I will be back later tonight because I have to work tomorrow, so we're gonna see how this work out for your girl, because I'm probably gonna be tired as hell coming in, but baby, I'm coming back. Okay.
I need to lock off, I need to step back. Constantly online, causing me setbacks too. Every day see so many people doing the things you do, and they're doing it better too.
So I just got approved for this apartment on yesterday. This is exactly how my apartment will look. The only difference is with that opening in the living room, I will have a fireplace. But nonetheless, this is exactly how my layout will be. I did not like the white appliances, but they did not have any upgraded versions available, which is good because y'all know your girl would have been wanting it. And it is $200 more, and that's $200 more that I don't want to spend. So good thing they weren't available. That was God saving me. But either way, you guys, I love this. This is 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, super spacious, very high ceilings. As you guys can see, there is a loft at the top, so I almost consider it to be 3 bedrooms, but the loft will be my filming room, so you guys will see that here in a second. But oh my gosh, y'all, I just got approved. I am so excited. I love this apartment, and I can't wait to make new memories here with my baby girl and just, you know, start a new life. Okay. So y'all hear my mama interrupting my voiceover. So I will be giving you guys a separate tour of mine when I do get ready to move in. So yeah, y'all, I'm excited. Woohoo! I'm gonna start my job transfer, and I should be in my apartment sometime next month, so I'll give you guys a tour then.
I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want them to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved. Ooh, I hate comparison, cause it makes me feel lesser than striving for perfection, thinking somebody will see me then. No, don't get me wrong, really want everybody to succeed, but can we start with me? Like, why was it her and not me? Why was it her and not me? Wish someone could read.
Alright, y'all, I'm gonna turn that off because copyright. I saw the apartment. It's super nice. This is a crazy angle. It looks like I have a bob. I saw the apartment. It's super nice. I'm going to wait to hear back from them, but I put in my application and now I'm about to head back to the M. Okay, your girl is hungry, so I'm gonna stop and get me something to eat, and I gotta pee really bad. I would have peed in here, but I didn't know where their bathroom was at, and they was all busy showing apartments, so I'm going to go find me somewhere to pee at. All right, y'all, your girl is back in the M, and I got my little twin with me. Say hey, twin. Say say, mama still got this cough. Yeah. Yeah, say, mama, get rid of that. Get rid of that cough, mama. Yeah. So, I'm about to send my check stubs over. Edit the video. It's 7:26 right now, so I'm gonna get that done and then I'm gonna go to bed because I have to work tomorrow an 11-hour shift. Okay, so say peace out. Say peace from baby Whoa. Hey y'all, so your girl is officially off of work. I'm about to head to Walmart so that I can get my baby girl some milk, and then I'm gonna head back to his house. Okay, let me go ahead and get this done. I'm gonna take y'all with me this time. I'm not gonna be a bad vlogger. I'm gonna take y'all with me.
Oh, it's Christmas time. I feel sad, I can't help it. Got you on my mind. I don't know how to cope this, because it's Christmas time. Try to figure this out, 'cause you left something for me under the Christmas tree. So baby,
So update, all of that on that rack is clear. This whole rack is clear. Now all we have is this. I did start on it. As y'all can see, that little gap right there. So far I packed 6 boxes. This is my 7th box. As you guys can see, it's just hangers. So I'm about to start on these clothes, and it'll probably take me about 3 boxes to finish these clothes. And after I finish these clothes, that is all of the clothes that are in here. These clothes I'm thinking about listing on my offer up, so make sure that you guys stay tuned for that. Oh my gosh, y'all. Why'd I forget about all of this? Those are basically robes over there, and then that closet, that's like my coat closet, whatever. I forgot all about this, talking about some, oh, these are the only clothes that I have left. Well, so much for that idea. But I'm right here. I'll probably finish this tonight, and then I'll work on the rest maybe tomorrow.